Why stainless steel sink is by far the most popular and common. Dear friends, stainless steel scores plenty of brownie points for being an exceptional material for kitchen sinks. There are many different sink styles and materials available today, and stainless steel is by far the most popular and common. If stainless steel is your material of choice for your new kitchen sink, then there are a few things you will need to consider that will help to narrow down your choices in shape, size and style. What is stainless steel? Stainless steel is an alloy, or mix, of steel, chromium and nickel. Two details to look out for when selecting a good quality stainless steel sink are the grade and the gauge of the stainless steel. The higher the percentage of chromium and nickel elements, the better the grade of stainless steel. A good quality stainless steel sink is made from 18/10, also known as 304 grade, stainless steel, which means that the stainless steel is made from 18% chromium and 10% nickel. Nickel is what gives stainless steel its strength, and the chromium reacts with oxygen to create a chrome oxide film, which makes stainless steel so resistant to corrosion. The gauge of stainless steel refers to its thickness on a scale of 8 to 30. The lower the number, the thicker the stainless steel. The most common gauge for good quality kitchen sinks is from 16 to 18. Heavier gauge stainless steel contributes to noise reduction when items come into contact with the sink and also make it more resistant to denting and bowing. Why choose stainless steel? Stainless steel is the most common choice for kitchen sinks, and with good reason. It's a very durable material, which is easy to clean and requires very little upkeep. Stainless steel also resists corrosion, won't chip, crack or wear out, and is also non-porous, making it very hygienic. A good quality stainless steel sink should last forever. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.